How to use Koinly app, the crypto tax calculator. So it is somewhat pretty straightforward. Once you connect your crypto accounts, you can sign up on Koinly and choose your country so it can apply the correct tax rules. And then you're gonna have to link your exchanges, your wallets, and pretty much review your transactions. It does say that already here, but just go ahead and press on start, and then you're gonna choose your wallet. So you can take a look at the available wallets. You could search for yours if it is available. And in our case, let's say Binance, you could import some data. You could import from a file in your device, or you could set up an auto sync. So there's going to be information depending on whichever wallet you choose, but you're going to enter your API key for that wallet and then the API secret. There's going to be import rebates. If you'd like, you could toggle that in. And if you want to be notified via an email when the wallet has completed syncing, you could toggle that as well. There's going to be advanced options if you'd like. You could start importing from beginning, now, or a custom date. But once that's all set, you can go ahead and press on the secure import. But after your data is imported, you can review your transactions directly all in your Koinly app. So just to make sure everything is correctly labeled, especially for things like your airdrops, your DFI activity, or even missing costs, Koinly will then generate tax reports such as capital gains, income reports, and complete tax summaries that you can download and even submit to your local authority. You can also use it to track your portfolio performance throughout the year or duration, making it a useful tool for not just tax season but overall crypto management. If you'd like, there's even the transactions here. You can filter it out by these options, and there's another filter option if you'd like, whichever wallet, what currency, what type, and then you can apply that. There's even market prices here in the right side option, which is pretty nice. It's integrated in this single app, so if that works for you, then that's much better. But that is the general idea on how your Koinly app will work. So again, it's pretty straightforward. It's just going to apply those rules and it will categorize you for trades, transfers, and much more. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.